Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil on a RAV4. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your RAV4 is parked on a level surface, and the engine is slightly warm, not hot. Always check your owner's manual for the precise oil type and capacity, typically around 4.5 to 5 quarts of synthetic oil, to ensure you use the correct specifications for your vehicle. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your RAV4 using a jack and jack stands, or drive it onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dark oil to completely drain out. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, often near the front of the engine, and use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, let's add the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. Using a funnel, pour the recommended 4.5 to 5 quarts of new synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill port. Start your RAV4 and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the oil. Then, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.